Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I will present two different charts about economic sector. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aura Nur Hasanah Teharuno. I will explain the agenda in this video. The first is the introduction. Second, I will explain definition of P chart. Third, I will explain definition of bar chart. Fourth, I will explain P chart of the world economy in 2017. 5. I will explain bar chart of real GDP growth forecast for 2021 in ASEAN economies. Okay, I will explain definition of P chart. A P chart is a circular statistical graph divided into slides to represent numerical progression. In a P chart, the arc length of each slide, and consequently its central angle and area, is proportional to the quantity it represents. The advantages of a P chart are saved space, because P chart do not take up a lot of space. The disadvantages of P chart are disadvantages. P chart do not show the size of the data P chart of the world economy in 2017. This P chart shows the presentation of global GDP and the total GDP of each country in the world in 2017. This P chart consists of all continents such as Africa, Australia, Middle East, North America, Europe, Asia, other countries, and Latin America and the Caribbean. In the diagram, each continent has a different color. Each continent has countries with the highest and lowest economic presentation. The P chart shows that countries with a very large GDP presentation can be categorized as developed countries. Based on the P chart, there are 7 countries that have the highest percentage of GDP in the world, namely the United States 24.4%, China 15.4%, Japan 6.1%, Germany 4.6%, UK 3.3%, India 3.3%, France 3.25%, Brazil 2.6%, Italy 2.4%, and Canada 2.1%. Here are also 7 countries with the lowest GDP percentage in the world, namely Egypt 0.3%, Bangladesh 0.31%, Finland 0.32%, Chile 0.38%, Pakistan 0.38%, Colombia 0.39%, and Malaysia 0.4%. We'll explain definition of bar chart. A bar chart is a chart or graph that presents categorical data with rectangular bars with heights or lengths proportional to the values that they represent. The bars can be plotted vertically or horizontally. The advantages of a bar chart are easy in statistics. Bar chart of real GDP growth forecast 2020 and 2021 in ASEAN economies. Chart show the gross domestic product growth of ASEAN countries in 2020 and 2021. For 2020, the bar chart color is orange, while for 2021, the bar chart color is green. In 2020, the country with the highest gross domestic product growth was Myanmar, which was 1.9%. And the ASEAN country that has the lowest gross domestic product growth is the Philippines, which is minus 7.6%. The decline in gross domestic product in ASEAN countries can be caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, which has triggered the economic downturn in all countries. The bar chart show that by 2021, all ASEAN countries will have a gross domestic product that has greatly increased, which means that ASEAN countries can recover from the economic downturn for the previous year and bring about very positive change. In 2021, the ASEAN country with the highest gross domestic product growth is Vietnam, which is 8.5%. And the ASEAN country that has the lowest gross domestic product growth is Brunei, which is 2.5%. Thank you for watching everyone.